explorers, it's Ollie. Today we're diving inside a real beehive. You see bees flying everywhere, but did you know they don't start with wings? Why does a tiny egg turn into a queen or just a worker bee? Stick with me, this is going to be amazing. You might see bees flying from flower to flower, but every bee starts its journey in complete darkness. Deep inside the hive, hidden within a perfect hexagon cell, a queen bee lays a tiny white egg. It looks so small and fragile. But here's something surprising. That egg hatches in just 3 days. From the egg emerges a tiny larva. It doesn't have wings. It doesn't even look like a bee yet. Instead, it looks like a small white worm curled gently inside the cell. But this stage is extremely important. Worker bees begin feeding the larva non-stop. They bring a special mixture of nectar and pollen, carefully placing it inside the cell. As it grows bigger and stronger, something important happens. The worker bees seal the cell with a wax cap. Now the larva is completely closed inside. And in the quiet darkness, an incredible transformation begins. The larva slowly changes into a pupa. Inside that sealed chamber, legs begin to form. Wings develop. Eyes take shape. But here's the twist. Not every larva becomes the same kind of bee. Why? Because the food it receives decides its future. If a larva is fed a special nutrient-rich substance called royal jelly, it develops into a queen bee. But if it receives regular food, it becomes a worker bee. Finally, after about 21 days, a fully formed honeybee chews its way out of the wax cell, ready to begin its life of flying, gathering nectar, and helping the colony survive. From a tiny egg in the dark to a buzzing pollinator in the sunlight, that is the incredible life cycle of a honeybee.